Close your eyes and imagine a country where ancient history, incredible art, mouth-watering cuisine, and breathtaking landscapes come together to create an unforgettable travel experience. Welcome to Italy, a place where every step takes you deeper into its rich culture and heritage. In this video, we're giving you the ultimate 2024 Italy travel guide. From the historic streets of Rome, the romantic canals of Venice, to the rolling vineyards of Tuscany and the sun-drenched beaches of the Amalfi Coast, we've got the hidden gems, top attractions, and insider tips that will make your Italian adventure absolutely unforgettable. Ready to dive into Italy's magic? Let's go! 1. Rome, the Eternal City. Our first stop is none other than Rome, the Eternal City, where every street corner reveals layers of history that span thousands of years. In 2024, Rome continues to be one of the most sought-after destinations for travelers, and for good reason. Start your journey with the iconic Colosseum, a massive amphitheater that has stood the test of time. Take a guided tour to learn about the gladiators who fought here and the Roman emperors who watched from the stands. Nearby, you'll find the Roman Forum, the political and social heart of ancient Rome. Walking through the ruins of temples and arches is like stepping back in time. No visit to Rome is complete without exploring Vatican City, the world's smallest independent state. Marvel at the art of Michelangelo in the Sistine Chapel and visit St. Peter's Basilica, one of the largest and most awe-inspiring churches in the world. Pro tip: Rome is also a city for food lovers. Don't leave without trying authentic carbonara or gelato from a traditional Roman gelateria. 2. Venice, the floating city. From the ancient streets of Rome, we head to the ethereal beauty of Venice, a city that floats on a network of canals. In 2024, Venice remains one of the most romantic and unique cities in the world. The best way to experience Venice is by water. Take a ride on a gondola or vaporetto water taxi along the Grand Canal and admire the grand palaces that line the waterway. Along the way, you'll pass under the famous Rialto Bridge, one of Venice's most iconic landmarks. Be sure to visit St. Mark's Square, where you can explore St. Mark's Basilica, known for its stunning Byzantine mosaics, and the Doge's Palace, a Gothic masterpiece that was once the political heart of Venice. Pro tip: to escape the crowds, head to the nearby islands of Murano and Burano. Murano is famous for its glass making, while Burano's brightly colored houses and lace-making tradition offer a more peaceful, off-the-beaten-path experience. 3. Florence, cradle of the Renaissance. Next on our Italian adventure is Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance and home to some of the most incredible art and architecture in the world. In 2024, Florence continues to captivate visitors with its rich artistic heritage and charming streets. Begin your journey at Piazza del Duomo, where you will find the magnificent Florence Cathedral, or Duomo, crowned by Brunelleschi's dome. Climb to the top for panoramic views of the city and the surrounding Tuscan hills. Art lovers will be in heaven at the Uffizi Gallery, home to masterpieces by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli. Be sure to see Botticelli's iconic The Birth of Venus, one of the most famous paintings in the world. For a stroll through history, cross the Ponte Vecchio, Florence's oldest bridge, lined with charming jewelry shops. On the other side, explore the Boboli Gardens, a beautifully landscaped park that offers a quiet escape from the city's bustling streets. Insider tip: Florence is also known for its delicious Tuscan cuisine. Try a bistecca alla fiorentina, a traditional Florentine steak at a local trattoria. 4. Tuscany, rolling hills and vineyards. Just a short drive from Florence lies Tuscany, a region known for its rolling hills, cypress-lined roads, and world-class vineyards. Tuscany is the perfect destination for anyone looking to slow down and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Start your Tuscan adventure with a visit to the medieval town of Siena, known for its stunning Piazza del Campo and the annual Palio horse race. Climb to the top of the Torre del Mangia for breathtaking views of the city. Wine lovers will want to explore the Chianti wine region, where you can visit vineyards and sample some of Italy's finest wines, including the famous Chianti Classico. Take a scenic drive through the countryside, stopping at picturesque villages like San Gimignano, known for its medieval towers, and Monte Pulciano, where you can taste world-class Vino Nobile. Travel tip: for an unforgettable experience, book a stay at an agriturismo, a traditional farmhouse where you can enjoy fresh, homemade Italian cuisine made with ingredients grown right on the farm. 5. Amalfi Coast, sun, sea, and stunning views. Our journey continues to the sun-soaked Amalfi Coast, one of the most beautiful stretches of coastline in the world. In 2024, the Amalfi Coast remains a top destination for travelers seeking stunning views, crystal-clear waters, and delicious seafood. Start your journey in the picturesque town of Positano, where pastel-colored houses cling to the cliffs above the sea. Spend your days relaxing on Spiaggia Grande, the town's main beach, or wandering through the narrow streets filled with boutiques and cafes. From Positano, take a boat tour along the coast to explore hidden coves and beaches. Stop in the town of Amalfi, home to the impressive Amalfi Cathedral, or visit Ravello, a cliffside town known for its beautiful gardens and sweeping views of the Mediterranean. Pro tip: the Amalfi Coast can get crowded in the summer, so consider visiting in the shoulder seasons of April, May, or September, October for fewer crowds and more pleasant weather. 6. Sicily, a Mediterranean gem. Our final destination is the island of Sicily, a place where ancient history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes come together to create a truly unique travel experience. In 2024, Sicily continues to be a must-visit destination for those looking to explore a different side of Italy. Start your Sicilian adventure with a visit to Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano. You can hike up to the crater or take a guided tour to explore the volcanic landscapes and lava fields. History buffs will love exploring Syracuse, home to some of the best-preserved ancient Greek ruins in the world. Don't miss the Greek Theatre and the Ear of Dionysius, a massive limestone cave with incredible acoustics. Sicily is also home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Italy, from the sandy shores of San Vitolo Capo to the rocky coves of Scala dei Turci. For a taste of local life, visit the vibrant markets in Palermo, where you can sample traditional Sicilian street food like arancini and cannoli. Insider tip: Sicily's cuisine is influenced by its history with flavors from Greek, Arab, and Spanish cultures. Don't leave without trying pasta alla norma, a traditional Sicilian dish made with eggplant, tomatoes, and ricotta salata. From the historic streets of Rome to the sun-drenched beaches of the Amalfi Coast, Italy is a country that offers something for every traveler. Whether you're here for the art, the food, the history, or the breathtaking landscapes, Italy in 2024 promises to be a year of unforgettable adventures. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Italy's hidden gems and top destinations. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides and let us know in the comments which part of Italy you would love to visit next. Until next time, arrivederci!